Dear viewers, how are you? I hope you all are fine, doing well and enjoying the life, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Luxuriant Fashions. Today viewers, I am going to back with the most beautiful, stylish, top trending, top elegant design ideas for new stylish, short bob haircuts, undercuts, side undercuts and shave undercut design ideas. Very stylish and very extremely design ideas and very attractive haircut ideas. Gorgeous and extremely stylish design ideas for short nail hair cutting, hair color and side undercuts and shave undercut design ideas, and give your feedback in the comment section. I must suggest you to watch this video till the end for more videos and new design ideas and new trending and stylish haircut ideas. Before telling me websites, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more information and updates and new design ideas and new trending and stylish haircut ideas, and give your feedback in the comment section. And friends, to support me by sharing my videos with your friends and your relatives. Thanks for watching my videos. Keep visiting my channel for more information and updates and new design ideas and new trending and stylish haircut ideas. Very amazing and very gorgeous new stylish ideas, 2025 ideas. My aunt forced to shave the bob haircuts. So goodbye viewers, see you soon with new design ideas and new trending and stylish haircut ideas. And keep visiting my channel, Luxuriant Fashion and new trending and stylish haircut ideas. So goodbye viewers, please